Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're someone who cares about the environment and wants to make a small difference, using Ecosia is a great step. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make Ecosia your default browser on any Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Ecosia browser on your Android phone. Next, tap the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Make Ecosia your default browser. Then, tap on Ecosia from the list of available browsers. Finally, tap on Set as Default to confirm your choice. That's it. Now Ecosia is your default browser, and every search helps plant trees. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word. See you soon.